Okay, so hi everyone. So for our value management workshop role play script, there will be the VM facilitator. Me myself will be the client representative. Mira will be the lead architect. Rara will be the end user, which is nurse or doctor. June as the mechanical engineer, and Carol as the quantity surveyor.
So, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this value management workshop for the 60 million ringgit public hospital expansion. Today, our objective is simple: improve value, reduce unnecessary costs, and ensure the project still delivers its critical functions. I know some of you feel defensive about the changes requested. Don't worry, because we're here to align priorities, not to attack anyone's design. Let's begin with a quick recap of everyone's main concerns. Andrea, can you start?
Okay, thank you, Tia. So, as you know, our ministry is very concerned about the budget's overrun. The estimated cost is 67 million ringgit, which is 7 million ringgit above our cap. We also have a fixed deadline, which is the wing must be open by this 2028. We need value, not luxury.
I understand the concerns, but our design was not meant to be luxury. It's meant to meet modern hospital standard. The facade, the wide corridors, and the spatial planning we are all to ensure patient comfort and future expansion. So if we cut too much, we will risk the quality.
As we can see from the staff perspective, we value function over style. Pretty corridors, pretty corridors don't help us if the treatment rooms are too far apart or storage is insufficient. Every extra step means slower emergency response.
For mechanical engineer, our biggest cost driver is the mechanical system. The hospital must meet infection control standards like high efficiency particulate air filtration, pressurized rooms, and medical gas reticulation. I agree, they're expensive, but we cannot compromise on safety.
And based on the cost breakdown, facade and material selection is 2.5 million ringgit extra, and corridor oversizing 800k ringgit extra, mechanical system 1.5 million ringgit extra, and for structural complexity 600k ringgit extra. If we make strategic functional cuts, we can regain value without harming performance.
Okay, thank you everyone. We clearly have three big conflicts, which is cost versus architectural identity, secondly, functionality versus sustainability, and lastly, performance versus budget. Let's focus on the main function of this facility. Rara?
For primary function, it can deliver safe and efficient patient care.
And deliver it within our RM 60 million and on schedule.
For mechanical functions, we must maintain the clean air, control infection, and support medical equipment.
For the architectural function, we provide safe, functional, and comfortable spaces.
And for cost function, use durable materials at optimum life cycle cost.
Excellent. Now that we know the essential functions, let's generate alternatives.
Um, what if we simply the facade using the modular cladding instead of full glass? It still looks modern but cheaper.
We could also install hybrid heating, ventilation, and air conditioning only for critical zones, use high-spec system, while general wards use efficient standards.
The layout also can be improved as the current corridor requires us to walk too far between supply rooms. A centralized supply room would improve the operations.
And for material, finishes can be downgraded in non-critical areas. For tile, we can use vinyl sheets, and for metal sealing, we can use acoustic board.
I think we can also use or consider facing, which is build essential blocks now and add non-critical areas later.
Okay, great ideas. Let's evaluate them.
For cost implications of the proposed changes and have two types, which is alternative and estimated saving. For simplified facade, we can use the estimated saving is 2.5 million ringgit. Corridor optimization, 800k ringgit. Material changes, 1.2 million ringgit. Hybrid HVAC, 1.5 million ringgit. Structural simplification, 600k ringgit. And for the total is it 6.6 million ringgit. This brings the cost close to 60 million ringgit.
For the hybrid heating, ventilation, and air conditioning still meets Department of Health guidelines. No safety risk.
A centralized supply room will also reduce staff working distance by almost 40%.
Okay with the modular facade, as long as it maintains a clean and modern look.
These changes must not delay the project schedule.
Actually, the modular facade reduces construction time.
Excellent. We have consensus. Based on our analysis, the VM team recommends modular facade system, hybrid HVAC in selected zones, optimized corridor width, cost-effective finishes in non-critical areas, improved functional layout, simplified structural grid, and phasing for future expansion. This provides 6.6 million ringgit while savings while maintaining quality, function, safety, and sustainability.
This aligns with our financial requirement.
We agree.
We agree.
Okay, thank you, team. We've achieved a balanced solution that improves value for money and aligns all stakeholder priorities. This concludes our VM workshop. Thank you, everyone.